Hey guys, it's that time of the month again. I'm going to give you a detailed account of my dividend portfolio through M1 Finance. I'll show you my Excel spreadsheets, how my account is growing, and just give you a brief overview. This is my favorite time of the month just because it takes a little work putting in all these numbers, so I hope you enjoy it. And let's go on. I'll give you a brief overview of December, last month's, and then I'll go into January's. So basically, I had annualized dividends of $167 in my account, and I wasn't able to deposit that much this past month, so I don't have the normal growth I did in the previous months. So I think this is number 6 update on this detailed account where I do the spreadsheet version. So I hope you enjoy. It does take a little work, like I said, but again, I do it for my own benefit and I like it for myself as well. So it's a win-win if you guys enjoy it as well. So let's get into January. So this month I had a couple changes. So let's see. Where should I start? So yeah, I mean CLM, I broke it down into my highest dividend, annualized dividends. So CLM is still on top by far just because it is a high yield stock. I don't recommend super high yields like this, but it is a good diversification if your overall account is balanced enough where you can throw in some very risky ones. So that being said, here's you can kind of look through these as I'm going. I'm not going to mention every one of these. You can kind of see what I'm into. These are just my dividend stocks through M1. One note, I did highlight some of interest that I wanted to talk about. So the annualized income is accurate for what it's projected that I will make for the year on dividends, but this spreadsheet doesn't account for the special dividends. So DMO had very good special dividends where at the end of the year in December I had 3 separate dividend payouts, and I normally get 18 cents per dividend, so I had 2 18 cents per dividend payouts, or roughly 18 cents dividends, but then I had one that was, I think, 48 cents per share dividends. So that's a really nice added bonus to your account when the companies feels that, like, most of the time it's doing a lot better than they thought, so they give you extra special dividends on top of your regular dividends. And DMO is also a monthly payer anyways, so that was a really nice bonus. So I had probably a handful out of my 60 dividend stocks. I roughly had about 6 or 7 that were special dividends or were added dividends onto my account. So that gives you a really nice hit to your account. So as you can see, last month I was at 167 for projected annualized. Now I'm at 185, and that does not include the special dividends. So you could probably easily add, roughly, a couple percent added to that. So I would say, I'm probably, looking at least 190, 195 in annualized right now, considering those. So good. And I started this account from scratch on a dividend account, and within 6 months I built it up to $185 worth of passive dividend income. And it's not much, but it just shows you how it can grow, and can grow quickly as your account builds. And like I said, this month I didn't really add that much to my account, but I still grew $17 in dividends over the course of year analyzed. So these are the other 3 I highlighted. These are the 3 I added to my account. They're all higher yield, 5% plus, 5, 6, and 8%. ENB, TERP, and WY, which is Weyerhaeuser. They're all quarterly payers. And yeah, they are good ones. So I will see how they add value to my account and see if I need to adjust my account. I'm liking my balanced account so far, and I don't see any changes this month to it. I don't see any I really want to drop. I feel like it's pretty balanced. I got good growth stocks. I got great dividend stocks. I got a mix of monthly and quarterly. So if you have any questions on this account, please leave a comment below. And I hope you like this little series where I'm doing the Excel spreadsheets. Like I said, it takes a little time for me to do it, but I enjoy doing it. And so I hope you get value out of it as well. And hopefully you're inspired to, start your own dividend account, look for the future, and build your accounts. So guys, that's going to be it for this month on this detailed account of my dividends, but I will do other videos and different investments, so please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell if you want to be updated on whenever I do new videos. I do different types of investments, and I will show you what I'm doing. So take care. Happy investing out there. Bye.